Hello, my name's Sarah Dolin and today we will be cooking porridge with bananas as part of the Cooking at Home series with City Catering at Southampton. For this recipe you will need 3 bananas, 400ml of milk, 100 grams of oats, a knife, a chopping board, a saucepan with a spoon. Step 1 is chopping your bananas. You want to have nice thin slices because this will help it cook down quicker and easier in your porridge. In your saucepan, add the milk. Add your 100 grams of oats and also add half of your bananas. As you can see, it's starting to boil, come to the boil because it's bubbling all around the sides, and it's starting to thicken up as well. Just make sure you keep it moving so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Once it is cooked, so you've been stirring it for like last sort of 4 or 5 minutes, it should look like a thick porridge but still a bit milky. If you do find it's really thick, just add a little bit more milk just to sort of loosen it up, depending on how you like to eat your porridge really. This is my finished porridge and banana. As you can see, there's plenty in there. That's a nice hearty portion. It'd be an excellent breakfast because it is really filling and it's got good protein, good source of fibre, and an excellent thing on these cold winter mornings.